What's up, YouTubers? Here's a little nail-in anchor tip. I want to hang this little plastic cowl on the wall. What I've made, if you can see, a small hole through there. And I don't want the collar of the nail-in anchor to be visible here. It's going to be unsightly. So some people might want to put the plug in the wall, but then the screw doesn't go in deep enough to actually reach the part of the plug where it actually is going to bite properly. So what you do is you take a shorter plug. This is a 75mm plug with a 75mm screw. So what you do is you take a 45 or 50mm plug, which you put into the wall, and then you put your screw through. So when the screw goes through, there's enough to fill the plug properly and get sufficient grip, and you're not stuck with an unsightly head on the outside. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.